Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says closed flowers undergo dash. Option A, autogamy. Option B, cleistogamy. Option C, dichogamy. Option D, none of this. So let us understand the question again. The question says closed flowers undergo dash. So what do you mean by closed flowers? So you can see that there are certain flowers which are totally open, okay, which are called as casmogamous flowers because they are open flowers, okay. And then you can also see certain flowers which are closed. They always remain closed. Such flowers are called as cleistoglamous flowers, okay. So the flowers, closed flowers are called as what? They're called as cleistogamous flowers. Cleistogamous flowers. So what do you mean by cleistogamous? So here what happens, the flower is always remains closed. So there is only chance of self-fertilization, or you can say self-pollination. Okay. So this can undergo only self-pollination because no other pollen grains can enter inside the flower because they are closed. So these will undergo self-pollination. And this self-pollination is nothing but cleistogamy. Cleistogamy. Okay. Of course, it is a type of autogamy itself. Like this, autogamy means self-fertilization, but cleistogamy, of course, this is like self-pollination. In fact, so cleistogamy is nothing but the pollination, the self-pollination happening within the closed flowers. So that is what is cleistogamy. So let us look at the option. Option A says autogamy. So option A says autogamy. So in autogamy, you have two types. That is, one is cleistogamy, and the other one is casmogamy. Now cleistogamy, as I told you, here the pollination occurs within the same flower because the flower is closed. Okay, but here casmogamous also mean that the pollination occurs within the same flower, but the flowers are open here; they are not closed. Okay, so we cannot consider autogamy alone here because autogamy means both cleistogamy and casmogamy. So for closed flower, autogamy, of course, cleistogamy is a type of autogamy, but autogamy itself we cannot consider for closed flowers, okay, because it includes both. The option B, because we have to be more specific, okay. So option B says cleistogamy, which is the right answer because we have already explained what is the meaning of cleistogamy. Then something called as dichogamy. So what do you understand by dichogamy? So dichogamy is nothing but, if you talk about, so B, I have told you B is the right answer. So let us talk about the C, that is dichogamy. So dichogamy, what do you mean by that? So dichogamy is a condition where the maturation of the male and female parts or sex parts occur at different timing. Okay, so what is the condition here? Maturation of male and female sex organs occur at different timing. Different time, you could say. Different time. That is what is dichogamy. Hence, option C is also ruled out. Option B says none of this. That is again ruled out because we have an answer that is cleistogamy. So let us conclude the answer. So according to the question, if you say closed flowers undergo, what do they undergo? They undergo cleistogamy. That is option B. That is the answer. Final answer is what? Option B. That is cleistogamy. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.